Okay, welcome bro on my next video. This is my PC and I have removed my beautiful fan because it's dirty. Now I want to clean this. To clean this, you need to open this and do this. Let me to show you. Okay, welcome back bro on my studio B. Now let me to show you how to clean this. Okay, to clean this you need to have alcohol to clean this, and if you don't, you can use a small oil to put into. Let me to show you. Okay, let's open this right now. Okay, be careful, take your time. Okay, to remove all of this quickly. Take your time. Wonderful. Do this. Let go. Let's do it. Okay. Okay, and as you see, you need to remove this, and this, and this, like that. Okay. If you're done, clean this, and look at that. This is a fan speed. This is the speed of your fan. You can increase this. Okay, take this and get ready to clean this. Okay, thank you. Let's clean this. To clean this, you can also take a lotus to clean all of this. Okay, take a lotus and put this lotus into, like that, to clean into. Okay. Okay, almost finished. We'll continue this job. Okay, take something to do this, like that. Take your time. Okay, do this slowly. Okay, like that, and we're done. Okay, not bad. Cut. Not bad. Now you can take another lotus to clean this. Okay, your fan, like that, quickly. Okay, before doing this, take another lotus, like that, and clean into this beautiful fan. Okay, like that, clean into, like that. Okay, take your time to clean. Okay, clean like that. Okay, careful. Okay, like that. Okay, all right, we continue. Okay, let me to do. Okay, we continue to clean also this, like that. Okay, take your time to clean. Okay, when it's done, clean also this. Okay, and get ready now to take a small oil to put into this. Okay, get ready. Okay, get ready. You want to take a small oil, okay, to put into. Take just a small oil, okay, to put into this fan. Okay, to put into. Okay, for doing the vase to clean before. Wonderful. Get ready like that. Okay, now take your beautiful oil to put all again into vase. Okay, now you can see I put just a small oil into, and you can put your beautiful fan into, and look at now the result. Wow, just amazing, just amazing, just amazing. You can remove and put again into, and look at that, just amazing. Look at that, I like it. Now put this, replace this, and put your fan into. Okay, now I want to blow on my beautiful fan to do something. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Look at. Okay, wonderful. It's good. It's good for me. Now I want to put on my PC. Okay, now I want to put this directly here. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Okay, as you see, it's done. Now you can put this into, and let's turn on. Okay, as you see, bro, now it's done. Now I want to put my PC on power on to see what after. Look at that. Okay, turn on. Look at the screen. Okay. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. Listen the fan. As you see, no problem on the fan. It's done. Now click on enter to access to your PC. Your PC reboot. Normal. And you can see HP. Okay. HP coming. And you are successfully fix your beautiful PC. Optimize also your PC. Get ready. Okay. Look at that. Okay, welcome back. As you see, it's working and it's great. Okay, it's working. Look at all of this, bro. Look at all of this. Okay, reduce the volume. And this is my fingerprint scanner. Let me to put my finger here and access to my PC. Have you seen? It's working. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and get ready for the next video. Okay, look at that. My keyboard, beautiful and wonderful. I like it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today.